We're going to do one man.
Good.
This one we're going to do one man, outward swinging again. We're going to say that it's a super tight door. You can use your 8 wedge to create a gap. Now obviously this one's not that tight, but we'll be simulating slightly. So we got a real tight door. You get your wedge in there as tight as you can make it, and you start beating it in there. Once you get it in there, you beat it all the way until it hits the stop. Now that created a gap for me that wasn't there earlier. Then I can go back to my normal ass, and I can gap it some more and get that wedge in there. And again, if I need more, I can hit it a few more times, make a bigger gap. Go back to the adze, force it. Now at this point, I'll use the power of the adze, crush stick, get it out, we're inside. So outward swinging, or I'm sorry, inward swinging, same thing. If we have a really tight door, how's that for up close and personal? It'll give you at least a starting point till you hit the frame, and now I can get my adze in there. Control your wedge if you can. Step on it. Hold your gap. Now if that's enough, fine. If not, you can make it bigger. Can't do that with a wooden wedge.